Hello friends, welcome to the Ryzen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GPD Win Mini Ryzen 8840 and 8640U handheld. So friend, Asus ROG LE screen in GPD Win Mini 2024, and it is about this time of the year when companies are announcing these brand new handheld systems powered by next generation APU series, and in case of AMD Ryzen 8000 series we are looking more at refresh than a brand new architecture, and the APU's codename Hawkpoint are nothing else than a phonics silicon that powered the vast majority of handhelds in 2023. Given the similarities between the platform, it is relatively easy for companies like GPD to announce a new system quickly, and it is a refresh of the last generation model with 7840 and 7640U processors, but comes with some interesting changes to the display specification. The company's clam cell design, but in a much smaller form factor in a 7-inch screen and brand. The Ryzen 8000 APU series are based on 4nm Gen 4 architecture and have increased speed for the AMD XDNA AI core, or if you prefer NPU, which stand for Neural Processing Unit, and the company is turning this into a marketing advantage over the last generation model, but they fail to explain how exactly would this benefit you of Win Mini 2024. And friend, the system is powered by either Ryzen 7 8840U or Ryzen 5 8640U, featuring 8 or 6 Gen 4 cores and respectively. Both SKUs also have different iGPU options, either Radeon 780M with 12 RDNA 3 CUs or Radeon 760M with 8 CUs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.